Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Up. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to create an account on Bolt. The Bolt app is a transportation and mobility platform that offers a range of services like ride-hailing, micromobility, food delivery, grocery delivery, and many more. First, install the app on your phone, then open the app. Now you can continue by entering your phone number or sign in with Google or Facebook. Here, let's enter our number. You can also choose and select your country code and enter your number. Then tap on continue. An SMS code will be sent to the number to verify your number. Enter the code. Now on this page you can continue with Google or continue with email. Tap on continue with email and type on your email. Then tap on continue. Now enter your name and last name. Then tap on continue. You can pick a preferred payment method or you can set it up later. And with that, we have created an account on Bolt. It is very easy and quick, right? So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more.